In the world of digital gold, the story unfolds. Every 4 years, a tale retold. Bitcoins having a moment so grand, reducing supply, shaping the land. Investors gather round, eyes locked on the screen. Anticipation builds, what will it mean? Price volatility, emotions run high. Trading, mining, a never-ending sky. Bitcoin having a cycle of fame.